Wait, wala pa music! Wait lang!
Wait lang, may music pa tayo dyan? Okay, hawakan nyo lang dyan. I-lift nyo lang. Takip. Okay na. Okay, okay, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
It's a girl!
Bakit siya ito? Iyak siya. Ala siya umiiyak kasi it's a girl. Nakatiboy.
Ay, my girl!
Okay. Pero, wait lang. Pero may surprise kami ni Kate. Kasi, it's a prank, it's a boy! It's a boy! Legit, it's a boy! So, ayun. Kailangan talaga siya. Okay. Diba? Medyo pinayakan naman. It's a boy!